It's Dimple Key. We will study how to duplicate this key by the M2Tank CNC key cutting machine. The first step, please connect the machine by Bluetooth. Click the switch and click the Bluetooth number. Here we will select the universal key duplication. Dimple Key has some points on it. Here select the multi-point key. Continue clicking it. Go on the next step. Here is a reminder that please clean the key surface. If it's okay, please click Continue. Click Identify. Go on clicking OK. We have to install the original key on the clamp depending on the guide picture. If it's ready, click Continue. Here we have to move the probe to the dimpled position. Watch the dimple positions on the key. It's the first position. We selected the first location, and then we'll aim at the dimple by this arrow. What we moved is jaw, moving a little more to the left. It's almost aligned with the center point. Click the down arrow. Click OK and confirm the first location. The first location is already confirmed. Let's count how many points there are. 5 points in all. Here we also need to confirm the second location. We'll click Cuts. Here we'll select 5. We also selected location 2. And then click the up arrow. We will move the probe to the location 2. Click the arrow to move the probe. If it's aligned with the center, please let the probe touch the point. Click OK and the second location is already confirmed. Finishing the confrontation of 2 locations. Go for next step. And now we are going to cut the key. Here we will click Cut. We need to change the special cutter, depending on the guide picture. Please push the cutter and probe onto the top. It has 2 screws for cutters. Push the probe also onto the top. Click OK. Depending on the guide picture, pull the probe to touch the surface of the jaw, and then tighten the screws. If it's okay, please click OK. Click OK. We'll install the key blank depending on the guide picture. Finally, click Cut. Compare it with the original key. Try to turn the lock. It looks nice.